Hi, I'm James Spear with Sundance Media Group, and today we're going to talk about Brothers Airscouter. We're actually going to unbox this today. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's dig into the Brother Airscouter heads-up display. Here we have the instruction manual, taped nicely into the box. And we will go ahead and remove that. Inside here we have product safety guide, product registration, names and key function components, and then the Airscouter itself. This is going to be the HDMI and micro USB connector to charge and run it. Brightness, power on and lock. The headset with heads-up display. So here's the heads-up display device. As you can see, it has a screen on the back side. You have the headset itself to mount to your head with the non-slip styles there, and it connects to the controller. You have a safety cord to hold on to the controller box, a safety cord to attach to your clothing, and then the adjustable piece that mounts to change this from the headset to be able to mount that onto another device provided by Brother. So we'll go ahead and pull all that out, trying to hold on to the plastic. So this would attach here, and then you can attach it to a different device to change the angle, or if you happen to break this, they send you a replacement so that you can fix that in the field. And so let's go ahead and put it all together and see how it all works. Okay, first we're gonna go ahead and plug in our HDMI into our device, like so. And then we're gonna take the other end and plug the HDMI into the control box, like so, and the display will start. So now with the HDMI plugged into the controller, and after I've adjusted my focus using the ring on the end, with the H520 controller, we're able to double tap on the display, which gets rid of all the flight information and gives you a very high resolution image on the heads-up display. This allows the pilot to have a better resolution of what the aircraft sees. So in a case of a search and rescue mission or law enforcement or fire, it allows the pilot to be able to not only not look at the controller, but still maintain that situational awareness and where the aircraft is in case of emergency. So should your brightness be too bright, you can actually adjust the controls of the brightness using the controller provided with the headset. After initial unboxing of the Airscouter, I'm very impressed with this product. I look forward to putting this into field use for inspection, for law enforcement, and for construction applications. For more information, please visit us at sundancemediagroup.com.